Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth zoom effect on CapCut. So here I'm going to create a smooth zoom effect for a photo. The first thing that you need to do is duplicate the photo. So click on the photo and click on the duplicate button. Now drag the one of the photo as overlay. So click on overlay. Now on the overlay photo, let's zoom it in like this, zoom it a bit, and then go to splice. Okay, sorry, add a keyframe at the start and then at the end, and go to splice and lower the opacity to around 45 and zoom it in again like this. Click on a check icon. So this is the smooth zoom effect. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Thank you.